guys, today we're going to learn how to make fluffy or foam paint. All you need is some coloring. You can either use paint or food coloring. I think it's recommended to use food coloring, but today we have paint. Any kind of glue, not any kind, you need a liquid glue. Can't use glue sticks. And shaving cream. This is what's going to make our paint fluffy. So, I'm going to add into our bowl just a little bit of blue so we can get blue paint, not blue fluffy paint, just a little bit. Okay, and it says we need equal parts glue and equal parts shaving cream. So I'm going to use this cup. It's tiny, but I'm going to mix our glue first so we can put the coloring and the glue, and then we're going to add the shaving cream last. Okay, so this is 1/4 cup of glue. Make sure we get all of that. Hopefully we don't make too big of a mess today. Okay, I'm going to set this here for now. Let's mix this together. Alright, so now we have blue. Let's add our shaving cream now. I'm going to shake it up real good so you make sure it's really fluffy. Alright, let's see. Whoop. Looks like whipped cream. There it goes. I'm gonna add just a little bit more. That's a little bit more, but it's about equal parts. And now we're gonna fold it in. We're not gonna stir too vigorously. Just like if you make macaroons, we're gonna fold it in very carefully so we don't lose the fluffiness in the paint. So I'm going to scrape the bowl and turn. So you want to be gentle with it or your paint's not going to be fluffy. But we got to make sure it's all mixed together. I feel like I'm baking today. Okay, it's almost mixed. Awesome. Now I forgot to get a cup, but an easier way to put this in the bag so we can squirt it out to make it fluffy is you put the bag into a cup and it holds it for you and you fold it over. But I forgot to get that handy, so we're just gonna do it the hard way. We're gonna stick our paint into the bag, but you know what? I'm getting a cup. Let me get that real quick. Just kidding, we're gonna use a cup. That's just water in the cup. But we're gonna stuff the bag into the cup. There we go. It makes the process a lot easier. We're gonna scrape it into our bag. It's nice and fluffy. That's good. So far I haven't made a mess, so I'm pretty proud of myself. Scrape it all out and stick it in. Okay. Put this here. I got a mess on my hands. All right, we're gonna take the bag off out of our cup, close it, make sure there's not a lot of air in there. Now we have it in our bag and we need some scissors. And we're gonna make it into like a piping bag. This is a funny bag because it's one of the storage bags. So it's not gonna be very clean cut. But there we go. And all you have to do is use it like you were icing the paper. I am going to draw, let's draw a heart. Just squeeze it out. So that was quick. If you want more fun, you're gonna need to make a few more batches, a little bit more. Just remember the ratio is 1 part shaving cream, 1 part glue, and whatever color you would like. Okay, so this is the important part, is that you leave it to sit overnight and you don't touch it. And hopefully, I might have added too much shaving cream or something because it's not too fluffy, but I think it's got some depth to it. So we're gonna leave it here overnight and it's gonna dry and it's gonna be puffy. And don't touch it even then, because if when you squeeze it, it deflates. So leave it here and let it dry. It takes patience. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's craft. Thank you for hanging out.